Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial I will show you how to fix Cassette Beasts game crashing, crashing at startup, crashing to desktop, not launching or won't launch issue or launching failed problem, not loading or stuck on loading screen, black screen issue, freezing problem on PC. So without wasting your time, here follow the fixes. And this is for the Epic Games users. So the first fix is to modify the game launch options. You can try -DX11 or -DX12. So open Epic Games and then next to the Cassette Beasts game, click on this three dot and then click on manage and then toggle on the launch options and here type -DX11 and then go ahead, launch the game and check. If that doesn't work, then again go to this manage and this time type -DX12 and then launch the game and check. If it's still not working, then again go to the game manage, remove the launch options, toggle off the launch options and then follow other fixes mentioned in this video. Fix 2. Windows security users allow the game exe file to control folder access and firewall. So in Windows search type Windows security and open it. Then click on virus and threat protection. Scroll down, click on manage ransomware protection. Click on allow an app through control folder access. Click yes to allow. Click on add an allowed app, then click on browse all apps. Now go to the game installation folder, open C drive, open program files, open Epic Games folder, open Cassette Beasts folder, and then select Cassette Beasts exe file and then click on open to add it to the list. Now go back, click on firewall and network protection, click on allow an app through firewall, click on change settings, click on allow another app, click on browse, and then browse to the game installation folder. Open C drive, open program files, open Epic Games folder, open Cassette Beasts folder, select Cassette Beasts exe file and then click on open and then click on add. After adding it, make sure both private and public is ticked mark and then hit on OK and then go ahead, launch the game and check if your problem is fixed or not. Now if you're using any third-party antivirus programs such as Komodo, Avast, Kaspersky, ABG, McAfee, Norton, Bitdefender, ESCT, then allow the game exe to your antivirus program as well. Or you can simply turn off your antivirus program and then check. Later you can turn on your antivirus program. Fix 3 is to run the game from the game installation folder or run the game as an administrator or try running the game in compatibility mode. So open Epic Games, click on this three dot next to the Cassette Beasts game and then click on manage and next to installation, click on this folder icon. This will open the game installation folder. Now double click the Cassette Beasts exe file and then check. If that doesn't work, then right click on it and then select properties, go to compatibility tab and check mark run this program as an administrator, hit apply, OK, and then launch the game from the game installation folder from here itself and check if your problem is fixed or not. If not, then check mark run this program in compatibility mode for, from here select Windows 8, hit apply, OK, and then launch the game and check. If that doesn't work, then from the drop down here select Windows 7, hit apply, OK, and then launch the game and check. If it's still not working, then tick mark disable full screen optimization option as well, hit apply, OK, and then launch the game and check. If it's still not working, then untick all these three boxes from the compatibility tab, hit apply, OK, and then follow other fixes mentioned in this video. Fix 4. Perform a clean installation of graphic card driver. So if you have NVIDIA graphic card driver, go to this NVIDIA website. If you have AMD graphic card driver, then go to this AMD website. If you have Intel graphic card driver, then go to this Intel website. Links are provided in my video description. What you have to do, you have to search and select your correct graphic card driver and then reinstall it. And then you can launch the game and check. I am showing the example of NVIDIA graphic card driver. So go to this NVIDIA website. And once you are on this NVIDIA website, enter your graphic card driver version over here and then enter Windows operating system and then click on find. Now whatever the latest version, you have to download the GeForce Game Ready driver. So click on view and then click on download. And once this exe file get downloaded, then run the downloaded exe file and select yes to allow and then click OK. You will see this screen, click on agree and continue. So click on agree and continue. Then select custom advanced option. So tick mark custom advanced option and then hit on next. Then tick mark perform a clean installation box and then hit on next. So check mark this perform a clean installation box and then hit on next. And after the clean installation of graphic card driver is done, just restart your PC once and then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. Next solution is to verify the game file. So open Epic Games click on this three dot next to the Cassette Beasts game and then click on manage and then click on verify. And after the verification has been done, then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. Fix 6, run the game on dedicated graphic card driver. So in Windows search, type graphic settings and open it and then click on add desktop app. And now go to the game installation folder. Open C drive, open program files, open Epic Games, open Cassette Beast folder, select Cassette Beast exe file and then click on add. After adding it, look for it. Here it is, expand it. And then next to GPU preference, select high performance. And then you can go ahead, launch the game and check if your problem is fixed or not. Fix 7 is to install Visual C++ files. So go to this Microsoft website. Link is provided in my video description. And once you're on this Microsoft website, scroll down and download both x64 and x86 version. Download both the version. First click on x64 version. Now if you see repair option, then click on repair, and if you see install option, then click on install and install it. Next click on x86 version. Now again if you see repair option, then click on repair, and if you see install option, then click on install and install it. And then just restart your PC once. And after your PC restart, then you can go ahead, launch the game and check if your problem is fixed or not. Fix 8 is to delete Cassette Beasts save data. Now you will lose all the save game progress as well as saved settings. So keep the backup of this folder to desktop first. So here how to do it. Now open File Explorer, open C drive, open Users folder, open your username folder, open App Data folder. Now if you don't see App Data folder over here, then click on this view and then show and check mark hidden items. Then open the App Data folder, open Roaming folder. Now here you will see the Cassette Beasts folder. First right click on it and then copy it and then go to the desktop and paste it to keep the backup. After keeping the backup, right click on it and then select delete to delete it. And then you can go ahead, launch the game and check if your problem is fixed or not. Fix 9, disable overlays. So disable Discord overlay, launch Discord on your PC, then click on gear icon in the app bottom left corner. Click on game overlay on the left panel and then toggle off the enable in-game overlay. Disable NVIDIA overlay, open NVIDIA GeForce Experience settings, general, turn off in-game overlay. Similarly, disable overlay in all apps or close all other overlay apps such as GeForce Experience, NVIDIA Shadowplay overlay, AMD overlay, and then launch the game and check. Fix 10, close conflicting or unnecessary programs. So disconnect external USB drive, mouse, disconnect additional joystick, controllers, multiple monitor connected to PC, unplug the Logitech or Thrustmaster racing wheel, and the task for Afterburner, Reba Tuner, HW Info, Razer Synapse or MSI Dragon Center from Task Manager. Close all of your tabs to free up RAM and then relaunch the game. Fix 11 is to update Windows. So go to Windows settings. On the left click on Windows Update and then click on check for updates. And if there are any updates available, then download and install them and just restart your PC once. And after your PC restart, then you can go ahead, launch the game and check if your problem is fixed or not. And the last solution is to uninstall and reinstall the game. So simply uninstall Cassette Beasts game from your PC and then just restart your PC. And after restarting your PC, reinstall the game to C drive, SSD drive. If already installed in C drive, then try installing it to another SSD drive or external SSD drive. And then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. So by this way, you can easily fix Cassette Beasts game crashing to desktop, crashing at a startup, not launching or won't launch or launching failed problem, not loading or stuck on loading screen, black screen issue or freezing problem on PC. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.